Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Joshua Bassett here and his song called Set Me Free. So this one is a beautiful song here. Pretty easy when it comes to the playing here. The challenge here is all the chords. So we have 11 chords, I believe. So let's start right away with this. We don't need any capo. So let's start with the A. Okay, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. All right, then we have a chord that is called E at 11. Pretty easy to play there. So open E, open A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have D, but with an F sharp in the bass. Okay, so you're gonna play the fourth on the D string, that's the F sharp. Then the second on G, then the third on B, and second on E. And what I do there, I bar the second fret here from the G string and down. That's easier. So you bar that one and just add the two notes there. All right, so that's the D F chord. Then we have the F sharp minor. So you bar all strings here on the second fret, and the rest will be fourth on A and fourth on D. Then we have a chord, it's called the G6. Like this. So that is third on E, second on A, second on D, open G, third B, and open E. And for this particular song here, I try to avoid the open E, try to stop on the B string there. So that's just a tip there. Then we have the B minor, so we're back with the bar here on the second fret, this time only from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And then the rest will be fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. Then we have the D major 7. So open D, second G, second B, and second E. And I just bar the second fret from the G string down. So 3 strings, and that's it. Then we have a G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then D. So open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord will be E. So open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And there you have your 11 chords. So this is the challenge here, to know and handle all the chords. Otherwise, pretty easy to play this song here. So let's start with the intro here. This song is all about just a downstroke. So that is how this starts. You're gonna play the A, and you're gonna play just 4 downs. All right, so that's the intro. And then starts the first verse. And you're gonna continue here with the A. So 4 downs on A. Then you shift to this E at 11 chord. 4 downs on this one as well. And my suggestion here when you hold this chord is to do that with your index finger on the first G string and your middle finger on the second D. That will make it just that much easier to shift to the next chord, which will be the G6 chord. So with this grip here, it will just keep your finger here, your middle finger on the second D, and you go with your index on the second A. You add the third E here with your ring finger and your little pinky on the third B. And there you have your G6 chord. So you're gonna play 4 there as well. Then you shift to the D chord with F sharp in the bass, the D F chord. Play 2 downs on that one. And you shift and play 1 down on the D major 7. And that is one chord progression here for the verse. You will play this chord progression for 2 rounds. So again, We repeat here. A, 4 downs. Then E add, 4 downs. Then G6, 4 downs. Then DF, 2. And D major, 1. Alright, so that is the verse. 2 rounds of that. Then comes the pre-chorus and the lyrics, and nothing I say will ease the pain. Pretty easy there. You're gonna play E minor 4 times, 4 downs, and then G, 3 downs with a small pause. And then you do that again in the same way. E minor 4 downs and G 3 downs with a pause. So it will sound like this. Na, 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 na. Yeah, okay. So that is how it could sound. Okay, let's go through the chorus here. We have in the lyrics here, you don't get to take all of me. So that one starts with the chord progression of F sharp minor. You're gonna play that for 2 downs. Then the B minor 1 down, A 1 down, D 3 downs, and E 1 down. That is one chord progression here. The F sharp, B minor, A, D, and E. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and then we are kind of half into this course. So let's start with this. B minor, A, B, D, D, E. That is one chord progression round. Right, and then we're on the lyrics I don't recognize. So on recognize, you're gonna play the F sharp minor 2 times, the A 2 downs, the D 2 downs, and E 2 downs. Okay, so on recognize you start with the F sharp minor, then A, D, D, E, E, and then comes this first chord progression here for final round here with this F sharp minor, B minor 1 time, A 1 time, and D 3 times with a pause. And that ends this chorus. So it ends like this. Yeah, so that was the chorus. So just a quick repetition here. We have the F sharp minor 2 downs, the B minor 1 down, A 1 down, D 3 downs, and E 1 down. You play that for 2 rounds, and then in the lyrics I don't recognize. So on recognize you're gonna play the F sharp minor 2 downs, A 2 downs, D 2 downs, and E 2 downs. And then for another round of this F sharp minor 2 rounds, B minor 1 round down, A 1 down, and D 3 downs. Yeah, so a lot of figures and numbers there. So that was the chorus, and then comes the second verse. Okay, so this one will be played A 4 downs, then this E at 11 4 downs, and then comes the G6 4 downs, and the D with the F sharp in the bass 2 downs, and the D major 7 2 downs. So just a slight different there. The D major 7 you're gonna play it for 2 downs instead of 1 like you did there in the first verse. Otherwise it's the same. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is the second verse. Okay, then we have the pre-chorus. It's pretty much the same there as well. The only difference here is that on the first G we had E minor G, E minor G. So on the first G there, instead of 3 downs, you play 4 downs there. So no pause, you play 4 Gs, and then if the rest is the same there as the first pre-chorus. Okay? And then comes second chorus, same there. Everything is the same, so no changes there. And that leads us to a bridge part. So in the lyrics, it's I hope you know that I still care about you dearly. Okay? So that will be E, one down. Yeah, and actually this E is from the chorus, so you can say it starts actually on the F sharp minor for 2 rounds, so that is more correct to say. So F sharp minor, 2 downs, and it's played in the same way, you can say, as the first part of the chorus. So F sharp minor, 2 downs, then B minor, 1 down, A, 1 down, and D, 3 downs, and the E, 1 down. Okay, so you're gonna repeat this: F sharp minor, 2 downs, B1, A1, D3, 1 down on E, and then again a final time here: F sharp, 2 downs, B minor, 1 down, A, 1 down, and D, 3 downs, and E, 1 down. And now it changes just a little bit here. Starts in the same way: F sharp minor, 2 downs, B minor, 1 down, A, 1 down, D, 3 down. And here you're gonna play the D major 7, 1 down. And then you go back to D, 3 downs. And then E, 1 down. And then finally D, 1 down plus a pause. Okay, so just a quick repetition here. You will play this chord progression: the F sharp minor, 2 downs, the B minor, 1 down, A, 1 down, and D, 3 downs, and E, 1 down. That is the same chord progression as in the chorus. You're gonna play that for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4 full times. Okay. On the fourth round, instead of the E, 1 down, you play the D major 7, 1 down. Okay. So that is the 4th round of this chord progression. And after this D major 7, you're gonna play the D, 3 downs, the E, 1 down, and the D, 1 down plus a pause. And that pause, that lead us to the final chorus. And this final chorus will be the same as the other choruses. The only difference there is that you're gonna play 1 extra round of this F sharp minor, 2 downs, the B minor, A, and D, 3 downs, plus the E. And we have a final outro part, which will be another round of this now very famous chord progression: F sharp minor, B minor, A, D. That is how Set Me Free by Joshua Bassett ends. Alright guys, so I hope you managed to follow me on this one. Many chords here, 11 chords, and yeah, as soon as you get this 2 number chords here, 10 and above, it is a lot of chords to handle there, but otherwise this one is pretty easy to play, so that's a bonus there. Once you get the chords, yeah, it's pretty much just to go. So yeah, hope this was helpful for you guys. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and play tuned.